Wildlife interactions are a part of living in bear country here in Fort McKay. These bear bins will help to reduce the number of wildlife interactions we see. This video will explain the proper use and function for your new bear bin and what to do if you have a problem. These bins have an automatic latch. Never overfill your bin where you can't close the lid. To open the bin, slide the swing lever from left to right under the apron of the bin. On collection day, take your bear bin curbside. There is no need to unlatch the bin. The fully automated truck will do this. The bin will automatically reset, ready for you to use again. If you have a problem with your bin, don't try and fix it yourself. Call Fort McKay Public Works at 780-828-5555 and they will arrange to get it fixed. Thank you for helping to keep Fort McKay safe and clean.